Hello, welcome to Soundop Tutorials. In this video, we will focus on operations to work with markers. In the audio file editor or the multitrack editor, you can add markers to the timeline. And you can view and edit the list of markers in the Markers panel. A marker can be a point marker with a zero length, or a range marker with a non-zero length. To add a marker, click the Add Marker button in the Markers panel, or use the Add Marker command and its keyboard shortcut. An arrange marker will be created if there is a time selection. You can also add markers with other commands: add point marker, add range marker. When playing or recording, you can add range markers sequentially. To delete a marker, right-click on the marker and choose Delete. Or you can delete markers in the Markers panel with the Delete button, the shortcut menu, or the Delete key. To rename a marker, click the marker name and edit. To edit the position of a marker, you can drag it in the timeline, or edit the position in the marker list. To change marker type, right-click on the marker and choose Convert to Range, or Convert to Point. To merge markers, select the markers in the marker list, then choose Merge Markers in the shortcut menu. To add a description to a marker, click the description and edit. To locate a marker in the timeline, you can double-click it in the timeline, or double-click it in the Markers panel, or use the shortcut menu. You can insert audio within a range marker to a mix space, and export audio within range markers to audio files. Some keyboard shortcuts to edit markers: rename marker, delete selected markers, delete all markers. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.